In this video, I will show you how to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and the first step is to go to the bottom of this homepage. And among all these icons that appear, we have to tap on the profile image. Now that we are located on our Instagram profile page, we have to go to the top where our Instagram username is located, and on the right of it, you will see these three horizontal lines, and we have to tap there. Remember that this process is the same either if you have an iPhone or either if you have an Android. The steps are exactly the same. Then in the settings and activity page, we have to scroll down until we see a section labeled "Who can see your content?" Now in this section, we have to go to the top where the account privacy option is located, and we have to enter there. Here we go to the top section where the private account section is labeled, and here we have to activate it. Now in this other panel that appears, we have to select the button Switch to Private. Now this panel will appear telling us if we want to reveal your followers, and we have to select Reveal your followers. Now in this other page, we can see all our followers, and to hide our posts from someone, we have to search for that account, and then we have to tap on these three dots next to that account. Here we have to select the option to remove the follower, and that's everything.